Okay, kids, here's another question, a short answer question, and it says, what is the total surface area or total surface area, same thing, of the solid below? Knowing that the base of the prism is a regular hexagon, so it has 6 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides, and the apothem is 5.2 centimeters. So we want the total surface area. So the apothem would be over here like this for the base. And that's 5.2 centimeters. So how do we find the total area? Total area of a hexagon. So let's write like this, total area of the hexagon. Well, it's made up of 2 hexagons. One on top, one on the bottom. So we have this hexagon here, and the same one at the bottom. And then we have 6 rectangles plus 6 rectangles. Okay, so all we have to do is add them all up. So let's find the area of the hexagon. The total area of the hexagonal prism, I should say, over here. Okay, so let's start with the hexagon. So the area of a hexagon, if you remember, is base 6 centimeters times apothem 5.2 centimeters divided by 2. So remember, that's like finding the area of a triangle like this, right? And there's 6 of them. So base times height divided by 2 is a triangle, but there's 6 of them. If I go like that, there are 6 of those triangles. So times 6. And because I have 2 of them, I have to multiply this whole thing by 2. So that's the top and the bottom. Let's move it over a little bit. Now you notice that I'm dividing by 2 and then I'm multiplying by 2. So let's just not do that at all. They just cancel each other out. So let's get that answer here. So the area of just the hexagons is going to be, let's do it. So 6. Cancel this. 6 times 5.2 equals times 6 equals. Now if you want to times 2 equals, and then divide by 2 equals, it's 187.2. So that's 187.2 centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared. And now we have to find the 6 rectangles. 6 rectangles. Let's do that over here. So 6 rectangles. Well, the area of a rectangle, it's pretty easy. It's just length times width. We have 6 of them. So length is 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Doesn't really matter which one's the length, which one you want to call the length, or which one you want to call the width. So it's just 6 centimeters times 7 centimeters times 6. That's 42 centimeters squared each times 6. Which is what, 240 and 12, 252. 252 centimeters squared. And then the total, you just add them all up. So 187.2 centimeters squared plus 252 centimeters squared for the 6 sides. And you get a total of, obviously, it's 439.2 centimeters squared. Yes, it's squared, it's area. So that's the answer here. 439.2. So 2 hexagons plus 6 rectangles. Oops, should put an S. And so 6 rectangles is 252, and the 2 hexagons 187. Add them up. That's the answer.